Imagine holding a phone that doesn't just meet your expectations but exceeds them, all while keeping your wallet happy. That's what the Samsung Galaxy A16 promises to deliver. From its sleek design to its solid performance, this smartphone is built to stand out in the crowd of mid-range devices. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S16 feels premium without breaking the bank. It's lightweight enough to carry around comfortably but sturdy enough to handle everyday use. The slim profile of 7.9mm adds to its appeal, making it easy to slide into your pocket or bag. Plus, with dust and splash resistance, you get peace of mind in those unpredictable moments. When you turn on the screen, you're greeted by a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the 90Hz refresh rate makes every interaction feel smooth. Whether you're watching your favorite series or scrolling through social media, the viewing experience is immersive. The Full HD Plus resolution ensures the sharpness you need to enjoy your content without any compromises. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which offers a solid mix of power and efficiency. Apps load quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and even casual gaming feels seamless. It's paired with storage options ranging from 128GB to 256GB and RAM configurations up to 8GB, so you can choose what fits your needs best. Running on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, you're also getting a future-proof experience with up to 6 years of software upgrades, perfect for anyone planning to keep their phone for the long haul. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where the Galaxy S16 really shines. The main 50MP sensor captures detailed photos that look great in almost any lighting. If you love group shots or scenic views, the 5MP ultra-wide lens has you covered. For those who enjoy experimenting with close-ups, the 2MP macro lens lets you explore the tiniest details. On the front, there's a 13MP selfie camera that's perfect for social media-ready shots. Both the front and rear cameras can record 1080p videos, making it versatile for all your content creation needs. Battery life is always a concern, but the Galaxy S16 has you covered with its massive 5000 mAh capacity. This means you can go through your entire day streaming, gaming, texting, or just scrolling without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the 25W fast charging gets you back up quickly so you can keep going. Connectivity options include everything you'd expect, like dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring smooth wireless experiences. NFC support depends on your region, but it's a nice touch if available. The inclusion of FM radio is a nostalgic nod, and the USB Type-C ensures modern convenience. Priced at just $182.97, the Samsung Galaxy S16 offers exceptional value. It's a device that's not just about ticking boxes, it's about delivering a well-rounded experience. With its vibrant display, reliable performance, versatile cameras, and long-lasting battery, it's a smartphone that feels like it's giving you more than you're paying for. What do you think? Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.